Fortnite? Oh, yeah. That's my jam.
I've got an off-docket matter.
Okay, what you call it?
It is 255-3123.
Okay?
Mr. Haygood,
Yes.
and he's here, and we're asking for a walkthrough. And they've spoken with the complainant.
Well, hey, good, come up, please. Mr. Burns, are you hearing this too? Oh, you have. You are Mr. Haygood.
Sir.
Mr. Haygood, you are charged with violation of a bond condition or protective order. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, sir. Okay, Sebastian.
All right, on February 24th, 2025, officer was dispatched in reference to a possible violation of protective order and made contact with Patty First, who stated that her ex attempted to contact her via Fortnite on an Xbox game system.
That's my jam. Fortnite? Oh, yeah. That's my jam.
He stated that she received messages under a username, OBT Haygood and LLUVVMEE. Message she received stated saying, "Hey you, I miss your voice," and then received several friend requests. And she knew that the complainant stated that from her experience, that was linked to the defendant's.
So he's trying to contact you through Fortnite.
Right, through the messaging system at the Xbox.
Right, okay. All right. Mr. Haygood, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. I want you to know now that the Texas Constitution does not allow me, but in very, very limited circumstances, to have a hearing to hold someone at no bond. You are now charged with a violation of protective order, and I'm putting conditions on your bond now. If I find that you violate these conditions, I can have a hearing to hold you at zero bond. No bond, and I will do it in a heartbeat to protect every person in this county. Do you understand?
Yes, sir, I understand.
So the problem is that he's got an impeding breath, I guess, against the same person now, right?
Yes, Judge. Just for the court's awareness, with the complainant, she's not on board or anything like that. I think counsel and I have agreed that, no contact is going to be best moving forward. There's some issues with the cases that we'll look over, but just wanted to bring that to your attention.
What about bond? Because we need to set a bond and.
There's a $5,000, or I think they've requested a $5,000 bond.
Okay.
I'm asking for a $1,000 bond. And if I may, Your Honor, during the altercation, I showed the state a video that shows her being very violent. And during that altercation, his Xbox was broken. So he's denying I don't know how Xbox works, and I don't know how Fortnite works.
Hey, you never played Xbox?
There's my 10-year-old plays
PlayStation
it.
or an Xbox?
My 10-year-old plays it excessively, but
You never played Xbox?
I don't. I mean, I've tried a little bit, but 2 minutes.
Oh my Lord. I mean,
I can't, I just get killed.
help me. I know what you're getting for Christmas. It's not the worst in the world, Mr. Haygood, but no means no. And I want you to understand that we're absolutely serious. If I find that you try to message this person through any means, I'm going to put you in jail. Do you understand?
I understand.
I believe that everybody deserves a chance, but I'm only going to give you one. I will not give you any more.
I understand.
So I'll set the bond at $3,000. I'm going to grant you a PR bond today, but you're not going to get another one. You will sign orders now not to have any contact with this person, not to use any marijuana, not to use any alcohol, illegal drugs. If I find that you're using, you pick up another case or you try to have contact by any means necessary, I don't care what it is, I will put you in jail.
Sure.
You understand?
I understand clear as day.
So it's a bond set at 3. PR bond granted. And then, so I'm going to have him monitored through pre-trial, so don't worry. So You're also not to be in possession of weapons as well. So you've got a lawyer, just listen to him, he'll take care of you, even though he doesn't play Xbox. And just, you know what's right, you know what's wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right, good luck.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks.
Case number on the bond.
So it's 255-3120.
31.
Yeah.
Oh, right. Joe Cortez, never mind.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Burns. Let me just, you're next. Okay, come on up, sir.
55, 31, 20.
So, what was the last name?
Cortez.
You are Joe Cortez?
Yes.
Mr. Cortez, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you.
On March 4th, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, officer was dispatched to a disturbance call and made contact with the complainant witness, who stated that the complainant witness is her father. The complainant witness stated that her father had arrived and was attempting to load a shotgun as he was upset from a previous incident.
He was loading a shotgun?
Stated that a witness, her grandmother, and her were attempting to take the shotgun from him when the defendant hit the complainant on her left eye multiple times with a closed fist, causing pain. She stated that as he was holding the shotgun, the defendant stated to her that he was going to kill her, grappling his hands against her neck, applying minimal pressure as she was blocking his hands. The witness stated that the defendant had been upset due to a car accident and that today he was loading a shotgun. And when her and the complainant attempted to take it away, the defendant hit the complainant in the face multiple times. Officers observed the defendant as he was still holding a shotgun shell in his hands when officers arrived and observed a red mark on the complainant's left eye and forehead area.
So was it all hospital?
He's currently unemployed and lives with CW, Judge. That's as far as I got with him in terms of anything going for him.
I got to tell you, your lawyer wants me to give you a PR bond, but Mr. Cortez, I got to tell you, you scare me, dude. You're on bond for a DWI third right now. You're allegedly loading a shotgun. You've got all this. You scare me. The last thing I want is more blood or a dead body. You know?
Yes.
So don't say anything. I'm just telling you why I'm doing what I'm doing. Is my fear is that, you know, something even more egregious happens if we give you a PR and you go back, there's nowhere else to go. And the last thing I want is a dead body. We have enough drama in this life as it is. You know? I'm sorry, man. I can't. It scares me. You know? Just. I am ordering you now not to have any contact with complaining witnesses in this case and not to go within 500 feet of where they live, where they work. Do you understand? I don't know if you're going to bond out, but if you do, I'm putting a monitor on your ankle so I know that you're not anywhere near where these people live. Do you understand, Mr. Cortez? Our life is too short to live the next 30 to 40 years in a 6x9 box. It's not. It's way too short. Do you understand? All right, thanks. Okay.